So ito yung application guys na ginagamit ko na kung saan kumikita ako ng extra income, and kung i-check natin dito sa profile ko, makikita nyo guys, ito na yung total coins na naipon ko, and kumita na rin ako rito ng $5, which is na-redeem ko na rin siya through PayPal. Kung interesado kayo sa mga extra income online, legit paying application na pwedeng pagkakitaan or any application tricks, i-check nyo lang yung mga videos ko rito sa channel ko, and don't forget to subscribe and press mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. Welcome back to my another video, and in today's video guys, another legit application na naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo na pagkakitaan natin by just watching simple videos. And before we jump into this application guys, shoutout muna tayo. So shoutout kay Christine Mauhay, shoutout din kay Marisa Celote, shoutout din kay Fanny Dudsi, shoutout din kay Romel Baris, shoutout din kay Job Ok, and shoutout din kay Ezrael Rovelo, and shoutout sa inyong lahat. Alright guys, so let me just walk you through to this application. Yung application name is Yogo Video. So let me just open this app. So guys, once you downloaded and you open first time this application, ang una nyo lang gagawin dito guys is i-press nyo lang tong video na icon, which is nandito sa middle portion. And may tatlong option dito to log in: Facebook, Google, or Twitter. So dito guys, ang gagamitin ko is Facebook. Alright guys, so proceed tayo sa ways of earning dito sa application na to. And first thing first, ang high earnings na makukuha nyo rito guys ay manggagaling po sa pag-i-invite. So para lang tong Hapo application guys, if you remember last month yung nag-trending na application. So almost the same lang sila sa mechanics, but dito sa application na to is may mga ibang ways pa to earn points. So dito guys, ang gagawin nyo lang naman dito is magbabrowse lang naman kayo or manunod lang naman kayo ng mga videos, or kaya naman mag-follow lang kayo ng mga people to earn coins. So guys, para lang naman tong Flipagram, pwede kayong manood ng mga videos or pwede rin kayong mag-post ng videos nyo. So as you can see guys, every invitation will give you 18,000 coins, and you will get 10% sa lahat ng may earn nilang coins. And also guys, sa first time na pag-invite mo dito sa application na to is makaka-receive ka ng 5,000 coins. So dito guys, yung successful mechanics dito sa referral program na to is kailangan nyo lang i-download yung application through referral link, and then once you install the application and you sign up through the invitation code, is tsaka nyo lang marireceive yung reward na points. So as you can see dito guys, there are tons of option to get a coin. So for example dito guys sa perfect personal information, i-press nyo lang yung go, and then yung rewards na makukuha nyo dyan is 200 coins. So i-complete nyo lang yung personal na details na kailangan nyong i-fill up dito. Alright, so natapos ko na yung dalawang task dito sa Novice, and you can still check dito guys sa daily challenge to get more coins. So yun nga guys, dito sa invite friends, ang makukuha nyong coins dito ay 18,000. So take note guys, sa first invitation lang kayo makakakuha ng 5,000 coins. Alright guys, aside from the other tasks dito na mga nakikita nyo, meron din ditong Wake Invited Friends where you can get unlimited coins. So click nyo lang to guys para makita nyo yung details. And dito guys, hindi nyo na kailangan magpa-sign up through your referral link. So guys, eligible to participate ka dito sa Wake Invited Friends kapag ka meron ka ng friends, of course. And yun nga guys, ang gagawin mo lang dito is i-click mo lang yung button dito sa portion na to or dito sa page na to, and then i-copy mo lang yung link from the Wake button. And then, isend mo lang yan sa mga friends mo. And then, ang gagawin lang nila guys, i-click lang nila yung link na yon just to open the application again. So, yun na yun guys, makaka-receive ka ng 1,000 coins. And yung friends mo na nag-open dun sa link na yon is makaka-receive sila ng 500 coins. And pwede rin naman nilang gawin yon. Pwede rin silang mag-send ng referral link nila sa'yo, and then ang gagawin mo lang is i-open mo lang din yung link na yon, and makaka-receive ka naman din ng 500 coins, and sila makaka-receive ng 1,000 coins. So reciprocate lang guys. Anyways, meron akong pin-refer na GC para dito guys, and sa mga interested, pwede kayong mag-join sa GC na yon, and pwede kayong magpalitan ng referral link nyo just to get extra coins each of you. Alright guys, so ito yung other ways to earn points. So you can get up to 15,000 coins a day by just watching videos. And then you can also earn up to 40 coins by just viewing videos per 40 seconds. And yun nga guys, you can get lots of coins as well while your friends are watching videos. So yun yung 10% na ma-earn nyo rin guys every time na may ma-earn yung mga friends nyo or yung mga na-invite nyo. And then you can also switch multiple videos rewards accumulation. And then yun guys, kapag wala ng mga reward for the current video, ang gawin nyo lang is i-switch nyo lang to the next video or i-swipe nyo lang. So, click nyo lang tong redeem na button guys para makita nyo yung mga PayPal cash na pwede nyong i-redeem or pwede nyong i-exchange. So, dito guys, wala pong ibang option to redeem your coins kundi PayPal lang. So, dapat meron kayong PayPal account. And please take note guys, dapat verified yung account nyo sa PayPal. So, i-click nyo lang dito guys yung each PayPal cash para makita nyo yung required points na kailangan nyo to redeem. So, for example, dito guys sa $10 cash, ang kailangan yung points dito is 600,000 coins. So, i-check nyo lang yan guys. And then yung withdrawal request pala dito guys is once a week lang po sila nagpo-process. And then yung maximum na pwede nyong i-redeem dito is $100. And then yung withdrawal request processing time po rito guys is 3 to 5 working days po yan. So like I always reminds you guys, make sure na correct PayPal email po yung ipoprovide nyo para hindi kayo magkaroon ng any problems pagdating sa withdrawal request. So i-press or i-click nyo lang tong PayPal guys and then i-input nyo lang dito yung correct PayPal email nyo. And then dito naman sa second field, i-input nyo lang yung paypal.me na link nyo. So para makuha nyo yung paypal.me na link nyo, kung browser yung gamit nyo, punta lang kayo sa PayPal account nyo through your browser on desktop, then go to send money, and then punta kayo sa manage your paypal.me profile, click nyo lang yan, then dito copy nyo lang yung link. So kung PayPal application naman yung gamit nyo, open nyo lang yung PayPal app nyo and click nyo lang or press nyo lang tong settings dito sa my top right corner. Then just go to paypal.me and click mo lang tong see and share, and then yun, i-click mo lang tong share it. Alright guys, kung gusto nyong i-download tong application na to, nandyan sa may description yung link ng app na to. And kung wala pa kayong invitation code na magagamit, pwede nyong gamitin yung invitation code ko. Ilalagay ko rin dyan sa my description. And yun lang guys, so that's it for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, give a thumbs up. So i-share nyo na rin to sa mga friends nyo guys, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi pag may mga bago akong upload.
We'll be right back.